Right.
Right. If tan theta by 2 equal to root of 1 minus e by 1 plus e into tan alpha by 2, then find cos alpha. We have cos alpha in terms of tan alpha by 2 formula is there. What is the formula? 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. But here tan theta by 2 is also there. So first I will ignore. How to ignore this? Take theta equal to 90 degrees. Then what is tan theta by 2? Very good, 1. So given equation becomes 1 becomes tan alpha by 2 equal to, I'll take this right hand side, root of 1 plus e by 1 minus e into tan theta by 2 is 1. Okay. Now cos alpha equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Substitute the values. 1 minus 1 plus e by 1 minus e by 1 plus e by 1 minus e. So take LCM and simplify. 1 minus e minus 1 plus e minus 2e by 1 minus e plus 1 minus 1 plus e cancel 2 equal to minus e. What are the options given? First tell me. 1 minus e cos theta by cos theta plus e. So when theta equal to 90, what is cos theta? 1. When theta equal to 0, cos 0. When theta equal to 90, cos theta 90 sir. But when theta equal to 0, cos 90 0 sir. 1 కాదండి. Okay. అలాంటి మిస్టేక్స్ చేయకూడదు. నేను డే 1 నుండి చెప్తున్నాను. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ యాంగిల్స్ చాలా పూర్గా ఉన్నారు. ఫ్యాక్ట్ సార్, చాలా పూర్గా ఉన్నారు. ఇవి ఫింగర్స్ మీద రావాల్సిందే కంపల్సరీగా. ఫింగర్స్ మీద రావాలి కాబట్టి నోట్ చెప్పట్లేదు. రైట్. కాస్ థీటా ఈక్వల్ టు 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుందండి ఇది? కాస్ 90 0 1 మైనస్ 0 బై 0 ప్లస్ e అంటే 1 బై e మనకు మైనస్ e రావాలి. అంతే కదా. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్, నెక్స్ట్ ఆప్షన్ 1 plus e cos theta by cos theta plus e. Same cos theta plus 0 రాస్తే 1 plus 0 by 1 plus 0 by 0 plus e equal to 1 by e. This is also wrong. Next option 1 minus e cos theta by cos theta minus e. This is also 1 minus 0 by 0 minus e minus 1 by e. 3 ఏ చెప్పారు నాకు. cos theta minus e by 1 minus e cos theta. cos theta plus 0 పెట్టారు. 0 minus e by 1 minus 0. Make a note fast. Note చేయండి. ఇలా సెకండ్ నోట్ అవుతుంది. k equal to that, if k equal to tan 25, then k minus 1 by k plus 1 plus k plus 1 by k minus 1 equal to dash. Yes sir, finish sir. ఐఐటి గర్ల్స్ కొంతమంది ఎంసెట్కి పారిపోతున్నారని నన్ను భయపడుతున్నారు. సార్ డిస్కస్ సార్ లాస్ట్ 5 minutes వెళ్ళిపోయాను. చూడండి సార్, k minus 1 by k plus 1 plus k plus 1 by k minus 1 LCM తీసుకున్నాం. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే then I substitute the k value equal to what is LCM? k minus 1 to k plus 1, that is k square minus 1. Numerator is k minus 1 whole square plus algebra formula a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square is 2 into a square plus b square, isn't it? Then and I'll take minus common, minus 2 into 1 plus k square by 1 minus k square, minus 2 into 1 plus k square by 1 minus k square is k substitute చేస్తే 1 plus tan square 25 by 1 minus tan square 25. ఎక్కడో ఉన్నట్టుంది సార్ ఫార్ములా 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta. సెకండ్ cos 2 theta కి రెసిప్రోకల్ లాగా ఉంది సార్. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, అది cos 2 theta, but it is reciprocal అంటే secant 2 theta రాయొచ్చండి. So this is minus 2 into secant 2 into 50. Sorry sir, so 2 into 25 గా 50 రాయాలంటే మైండ్ లో రాసేస్తాం. 2 into 25 50 minus 2 secant 50 degrees. ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు సింప్లిఫికేషన్? what in terms of 130 angles ఇచ్చాడు. So I convert 180 minus theta, so equal to 2 into cos secant 180 minus 130. 15 I'll write minus 2 into secant 50 I'll write secant 180 minus 130. Secant 180 50 I'll write 180 minus 130. Secant 180 minus theta is minus secant theta. Already minus is there, becomes plus 2 secant 130 degrees. Any doubts sir? Make it out fast. So sin power 4 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 3 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 5 pi by 8 plus sin power 4 7 pi by 8. Sin 7 pi by 8 is sin pi minus pi by 8 and right hand. 7 pi by 8 has pi minus sin 180 minus theta is sin theta itself. So it is equal to sin pi by 8. Similarly, sin 5 pi by 8 also sin pi minus 3 pi by 8. It is sin 3 pi by 8. So last 3 terms are coincide with first 2 terms, isn't it? So given value equal to 2 times of sin power 4 pi by 8 is 4 pi and sin power 4 pi by 8 plus sin power 3 pi by 8. Pi by 8 plus 3 pi by 8 sum of the angles ఎంత అవుతుందండి 90 4 pi by 8 pi by 2 if a plus b equal to 90 sin square a plus sin square b equal to ఎంతండి sin square b is nothing but cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square a. So this value is 1. If a plus b equal to 90. Squaring both sides. Sin power 4a plus sin power 4b plus 2 sin square a sin square b equal to 1. Is required value. Right side will be 1 minus sin power 4a plus sin power 4b equal to 1 minus multiply and divide with 2. This is 4 sin square a sin square b by 2 and I can 2 ni 4 by 2 రాసుకున్నాను అంతే. ఎందుకంటే న్యూమరేటర్ ఫార్మ్ 2 sin a sin b whole square 2 sin a sin b whole square ఎంత అవుతుందండి వాల్యూ sin a sin b sin b is nothing but cos a, no? Equal to 1 minus 4 sin square a cos square a by 2. Right hand atla because sin b equal to cos a class లో మనం అయిపోతుంది పోగొట్టు. ఎందుకంటే because sin b equal to cos a b equal to 2 sin a cos a ఫార్మ్ లో సార్ 2 sin a cos a equal to 1 minus sin 2a whole square by a equal to 2a equal to అంటే ఇప్పుడు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేస్తాం at least. This is required value. So therefore given value equal to 1 minus sin 2a is sin 2 into a is pi by 8. A equal to pi by 8. 2a is 2 pi by 8 is pi by 4 by 2. Numerator whole square. Sin pi by 4 is what? 1 by 2 whole square is
1 by 2
equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 by 2 is 1 by 4. Result is చూడండి ఎక్కడ రక్షణ ఉందా A plus b 90, sin square A plus sin square b 1. 1 minus 2 sin square 4 by 2 sin 2a by 2. Right. We'll cross it. It is given 3. 4 was the right. Next. Fourth one important, sir. Fourth one important. ఎక్కడండి గివెన్ వాల్యూ 2 into so 3 by 2. Very good. Given value 2 into right. Fourth one చూడండి. I'll take theta equal to pi by 11. అంటే 11 theta equal to pi నేనా? So what is given value? Cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 3 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 5 theta. Let it be C and CS rule we are using. C product of C cos of cosine C conform, sir. Let S equal to product of sines sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin 3 theta, sin 4 theta, sin 5 theta. Now C into S equal to what? What is C into S? Multiply these two. Sin theta into cos theta, sin theta, sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta, and so on. Sin 5 theta into cos 5 theta. Here I multiply and divide with 2 for each factor. Multiply and divide with 2 for each factor. What do you get, sir? How many factors are there? 5. So 2 power 5. Numerators are this is sin then అవసరం లేదు అవసరం లేదు సార్. Multiply and divide with 2 sin theta. 2 sin theta cos theta cos 2 theta and so on cos 5 theta by 2 sin theta. Multiply and divide with 2 sin theta. What about 2 sin theta and cos theta? Sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta multiply and divide. First factor with 2 sin theta becomes sin 2 theta. Okay. Multiply with 2 power 5 into 2 power 5. Take 1 2. So this becomes 2 power 4 into sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta into and so on cos 5 theta. Any doubts, sir? 1 take 2 sin theta cos theta as sin 2 theta. Remaining 2 power 4. Continue cos 2 theta and so on cos 5 theta. See that again sin 2 theta into cos theta into take 1 or 2 becomes sin 4 theta. ఇప్పుడు cos 3 theta ఏమైపోతుందండి? cos 3 theta ఏమైపోతుంది? Let S equal to sin theta, sin 2 theta, sin 3 theta and so on. రాసేస్తారు అందుకనే మంచి పని అయింది. Now CS equal to sin theta into cos theta, sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta and so on. Sin 5 theta into cos 5 theta. Multiply and divide with 2 power 5. 2 power 5 into this is sin 2 theta, this is sin 4 theta. ఇదేనండి సెకండ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ sin 4 theta అవుతుంది కదా, 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అలా ఎంత వరకు వస్తుంది సార్? sin 10 theta equal to sin 2 theta, sin 4 theta. Next sin 6 theta is there. Sin 6 theta ని నేను sin 11 theta minus 5 theta అని రాస్తాను. ఓకేనా? జాగ్రత్తగా sin 11 theta minus. Next what? sin 8 theta. sin 11 theta minus 3 theta. 2 theta, 4 theta, 6 theta, 8 theta. sin 10 theta ని sin 11 theta minus theta by 2 power 5. చూడండి ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా. Why I am writing 8 theta, 6 theta, 8 theta, 10 theta as 11 theta minus 5 theta. Every time I am subtracting from 11 theta. Why is 11 theta is 5. Sin 2 theta into sin 4 theta. Sin pi minus theta is sin 90 minus theta is sin theta. Okay, so sin pi minus 5 theta is sin 5 theta. So I'll write it as sin 5 theta. This is sin 3 theta. This is sin theta by 2 power. And I start with the C into S. What is numerator? Yes. Sin products kadandi. C into S equal to S by 2 power 5. S is cancelled. Plus C equal to 1 by required products. This is called CS rule. CS rule. Do we have the values of tan 22 and half and cot 22 and half? No, we do not have. Sin 18, cos 18 values ఇచ్చారా? ఇది చేయలేదా? అసలు sin 18 ఇచ్చినట్టున్నాం ఇవ్వలేదు. sin 3 theta cos theta ఫార్ములాస్ రాసాం అంతేనా? ఓకే, టుడే ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ అసైన్మెంట్ ఐ గివ్ యు రైట్. Sin 22 and half, cos 22 and half also we do not have, right? Suppose alpha beta roots అయితే then quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Do you know that, sir? So I will find out alpha plus beta value and alpha beta value. Okay. So I take theta equal to 22.5 degrees. So consider take theta equal to 22.5 degrees and alpha plus beta equal to tan theta plus cot theta. Tan theta plus cot theta. This I write 1 by sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta. Take LCM. ఎవరో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. న్యూమరేటర్ sin square theta plus cos square theta. Numerator 1. Multiply and divide with 2. Becomes 2 by sin 2 theta. When theta equal to 22.5 degrees, then 2 theta equal to 45 degrees. What is sin 45? Oh, great. Equal to 2 by 1 by root equal to 2 root 2. Alpha plus beta is 2 root 2. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta equal to tan theta into cot theta. And then 1. Therefore quadratic equations. X square minus 2 root x plus 1 equal to 0. Take it out first. Find sin 18 degrees and cos 80 degrees. Find sin 18 degrees and cos 80 degrees. Sin 18 వస్తే cos 80 వచ్చినట్టు root of 1 minus sin square theta. What should I do? Start చేస్తాం. Let theta equal to 18 degrees అనుకున్నాను సార్. Then phi theta ఎంత అవుతుందండి? 5/18 అవుతుంది. Then 90 degrees very good. I split phi theta into 2 theta plus 3 theta. And 3 theta కావాలి. So 2 theta equal to 90 minus 3 theta. Sin 2 theta equal to sin 90 minus 3 theta. This is cos 3 theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta, 2 sin theta, cos theta equal to cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Asara formula sin 3 theta cos 3 theta sin asana. I will cancel cos theta throughout the equation. Cancel చేయొచ్చా? theta equal to 90 అయితే కుదరదు కదా. cos 0 0 cancel. ఓ 0 ఉంటే సపోజ్ cos theta 0 అయితే క్యాన్సిల్ చేయడానికి లేదు. 0 into 5 equal to 0 into 4 అంటే 0 0 క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చా? So non-zero is can equal, otherwise it is 4 equal to 5 equal to 0 into 5 equal to 0, 0 into 4 equal to 0. So మనం 0 cancel చేయకూడదు. So before cancelling whether it is non-zero or not confirm. Both sides ఉంటే మనకి ఇప్పటివరకు అలవాటు టపా టపా క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తుంటాం, isn't it? So before cancelling cross check whether they are non-zero or not. The term is non-zero or not. So cos theta 0 కాదని ఎలా చెప్పగలం సార్? Theta 18 degrees. Cos 18 is a non-zero. Cos 90 is 0. Okay, so we can cancel. If you cancel it, you will get 2 sin theta equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. Cos theta cancel. I will write cos square, cos also in terms of sin square. This is 1 minus sin square, means 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3 as it is. Take all the terms outside. 4 sin square theta minus 2 sin plus minus 4 sin square left side plus sin square plus 2 sin theta. 4 minus 1 left side is minus 1 equal to 0. Quadratic equation is sin theta. Then sin theta equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4a into c by 2a minus 2 plus or minus, this is plus 16 out sir. 4 plus 16 is root 20. Root 20 we can write 2 root 5 by 2 into 4. We can cancel 2 common and cancel equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. It is only root 5 plus root 5 minus 1 by 4 only. ఎందుకంటే since root minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 is negative, sin 18 is positive. Sin 18 degrees is in first quadrant, sin 18 must be positive. So it can't be root minus root 5 minus 1. So only నేను plus root 5 is తీసుకున్నాను. So sin 18 equal to, very important formula, sin 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Keep in a box. Cos 18 ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పండి నాకు. We'll find out root of 1 minus sin square theta.